Talo for Lava. Welcome to Behind the Lava Lava. I'm your host, Michael Tan, and I'm here in South Jordan at the Embassy Suites by the Hilton. I'm at the Pacific Island Women's Pop-Up Market, hosted by the Women's Executive Alliance. Let's go check them out.
Hi, I'm Jalisna. I'm the owner of JoJo & Co. Company. We are a full salon in Magna. We offer lashes, facials, nails, and we're a full service salon. And what we're featuring here is a zero gravity pedicure with the facial, a totally new experience in its own. Love for you to come and visit us. We hope to see you guys soon.
Hi, my name's Marissa Amosa. I am the owner of Wikilicious in West Valley, where we sell malasadas from home. I'm a home-based baker, and we have a variety of fillings, great malasadas. We have both original size, which is a 4x4, and then we have a mini size of a malasada, which is a 2x2. And we sell every Saturday. We do take pre-order, and if we do have extras, we always reach out to the community to let them know that we have them. Let us know. We're on Facebook and Instagram, and you can always give us a call as well at 801-864-9391.
Hut, and we sell anything from Polynesia. Souvenirs, candy, food, everything you want, we sell it. Candy from New Zealand, souvenirs from Tonga, Tavala, Samoa, clothing, Hawaii, everything. We sell everything from the islands.
Hi, my name is Vale, part owner of Fatty's Rice Bowls. So we have 4 main dishes. We have a Polynesian-based bun. It's kekeisite and it has shredded meat on the inside. We also sell a beef bowl, shrimp bowl, and a chicken wings bowl. You can follow us on Facebook and Instagram. We post where we sell on those 2 platforms all the time. And we're here today.
Hi, my name is Hea, and I own Box by Lolo Charcuterie. I do custom cheese boards for bridal showers, weddings, or as gifts. I do them as grazing tables and also boxed.
Hi, I'm Larissa Vea, and for my small business, I make handmade jewelry and accessories. I mainly feature in spoon rings.
Aloha everyone, I'm Cami with Paradise Porch, and I do events, florals, tropicals, and then also pop-up Haku Lepo'o workshops. I have many items from the islands, including fans, beach rinses, and so come out and check me out.
Hi, my name is Shanice. I'm the owner of DIY Freeze Dry. It's a self-service event where you can bring your own food and freeze dry it. So right now I'm in startup mode, but today I'm selling freeze-dried candy, so come out and buy some candy, and then sign up for my list and you can freeze dry your own food, at a cheap price. You don't have to buy a freeze dryer.
My name's Milani, and I have a business called Milani Things where I sell a whole bunch of jewelry or crystal gems over there. You can buy necklaces, bracelets, rings, and earrings as well.
Talofa Lava. Welcome. This is Coco Creations. We actually have the first ever Instant Coco Samoa. Yes, you heard that right. Instant Coco Samoa. If you look right in here, we actually have a sample that you can see. It is literally like the consistency of Swiss Miss hot chocolate. We sell it in bulk bags, we sell it in 5-packs, and we sell it in trios because we have 3 blends: black, sweet and bengal, and sweet and fine. If you're interested, please look us up. We are on Facebook and Instagram at Coco Creations Company, and come out and see us.
Talofa malolele. Aloha. So glad to be here with Senior Benefits Insurance Services. We are here to help your parents, yourselves, your aunties, and your uncles navigate Medicare. So if you need help, reach out to me, Dayla, Senior Benefits Insurance Services. It's free, always.
My name is CE, and I'm a sales associate, which is an insurance agent with Comparian Insurance, our company, and under Team Evans, Anthony Evans. What we provide is we sell auto, home, life insurance, pets, or anything you can think of worth insuring. That's us. We are a Liberty Mutual company.
So we are Nu Skin. We focus quite a bit on nutrition, both inside and out. We believe in beauty from inside and out. Most of our products have to do with health and wellness, and of course, skincare and beauty.
Hi, this is To'ai. I'm a baker from Pacifica Kitchen, and I make all the Samoan pastries. Starting from pankeke, we have the manapua, and also we have fapapa. I call it bang bang myself. And we have masi, I have pangpopo, and also peach pie and pineapple pies and all that kind of, Samoan pastries.
Aloha, my name is Megan. I own Sugar Bean, and here I've got a bunch of jewelry for sale, sunglasses, hair scrunchies, accessories, and then some digital prints that I've printed out. They're in packs ready to go, as well as some books that I've published. So come on down.